Hello everyone, my name is Mr. M. Today we are going to find the average rate of change of a function within an interval given its table of values in the equation. So go ahead and complete the intro activity that says the table below shows the cost of mailing a postcard in different years. Determine the average rate of change between the years 1971 and 2006. Make sure you pause your video while you're doing it. Once you're done, come back so that you can check your answer. Alright, let's activate your prior knowledge before we go over with the intro activity. So as we all know, average rate of change is the change in the y values over the change in the x values from two distinct points on the graph, which is represented by this formula, also known as the slope formula. Let's go over with the intro activity. It says determine the average rate of change between 1971 and 2006. So 1971 is right here, 2006 is right here. Using the formula, you can fill that in. Y sub 2 is 24. Take away 6 over 2006 minus 1971. So 24 minus 6 is 18 over 2006 minus 1971, that's 35, which means the increase is 18 cents for every 35 years, or roughly 0.514 cent per year. And that is the average rate of change. You may leave your answer like this. Now let's go to the model problem. It says determine the average rate of change for the function f of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus x plus 1 in the interval from negative 2 to positive 3. So we're gonna use Desmos to answer that question. Now be sure to log in when you use the Desmos, or if you don't have an account, sign up so that you can save your work. Okay, so what do? We need to type in the function there in the left panel. So y equals negative 2x squared plus x plus 1. Now notice that the graph of the function pops up here. Alright, let's make it bigger right there. Now, is this what we need? Not really. What we could do is to duplicate this function, hit that edit list and hit that icon, that's duplicate. So on the second line you'll see the same function, right? Then hit this table icon and then you'll come up with the table of values that we need. But it says here in the given problem we need to find the interval from negative 2 to positive 3. Going back to the table, it's the value of x is from negative 2 to positive 2 only. So what we could do is to add another line. So we can type 3 there, or the value of the function negative 14 comes up. Now going back here, so we come up with this graph and the table of values. So what do we do next? Let's find the rate of change, which is, so from negative 2 to positive 3. So these are the corresponding y values. So let's start from negative 14, take away negative 9, right? And then 3, take away negative 2. What is negative 14? Take away negative 9. And that is negative 5 over, change the sign, that's positive 5, that's 1, negative 1. And that is the average rate of change in the given interval. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and determine the average rate of change of the function f of x is equal to 0.5x squared minus 3x plus 1 in the interval from negative 5 to positive 2. Make sure you pause your video while you're doing it. Once you're done, come back so that you can check your answer. and the rate of change must be negative 4.5 within the given interval. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below in the description box for additional resources so that you can practice more. Please take care of yourself and each other.